Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week's video, we're going to make a new holder, version 2, for the Nespresso coffee pots.
Okay, we've actually seen quite a few people that have made various coffee pot holders, and the common ones for these are made in such a manner that you have a cabinet and this slides in and it just hangs underneath the cabinet like this. Now, it looks really nice, but to me the problem with that is you then have to memorize what each color stands for, because there is nothing that says what flavor this is unless you memorize the color. The titles of the coffee are, let's see, hopefully you can see that on the front there. They're written on the top. So when we made version 1, that was the whole reason why we did it with an open face, and the idea is that then you can read exactly what type of coffee that you're going to be selecting. Obviously, if you only use one particular coffee, then the other type that just slides in, it would be perfect for you. But again, we wanted to do something a little bit different. Now, this thing actually takes up quite a bit of space because it's just open face, side by side, like this, and we'll show you a picture of what it really looks like now. So we're looking at redesigning it, maybe making it a little bit more compact, but still be able to read the labels, at least some of it, and so we're going to go ahead and see if we can develop it and then actually build it. All right, so this is version 1 of our Nespresso coffee pod holder. This actually worked out really well because everything was just open and you could see exactly what brand of coffee you wanted to choose. The problem is if you bumped it a little bit, the coffee pods fell out. So
here is version number 2, which I really like. And what we do now is we can put in the pods into the slots here, and it doesn't fall out whatsoever. And I love that.
Okay, well, we hope you enjoyed this. We'll give you another close-up look on this thing. Next week, we aren't sure what we're going to do for next week. We got a few things in mind, so until we meet again, bye-bye.